Hey there, it's the Everyday Man. We're going to change the lawnmower blade on this Husqvarna.
I'm using car ramps, which are more than strong enough for this.
But you want to put something behind the back wheel. So let's look at everything we're going to need to do this job.
I had to switch to using a 1/2-inch socket wrench. That worked just as well, actually easier to hold. And I held the blade with my other hand, making sure I used leather gloves. And I didn't need to put a wood block in there to hold the blade from spinning. The middle blade's a little more difficult to access. I tried reaching under from the side of the mower deck, but it turned out to be a lot easier reaching under from the front, as you can see here.
Screwed, it's still tight. All right, a little bit more, okay. Try and hold that really tight up against it. You don't want that to fall off of them splines.
You have to make sure that the blade fits flush against the spindle as you tighten the bolt.
Tighten it down a little bit. There we go.
Took my glove off to screw the bolt in easier, and the mulch side of the blade is pretty dull.
Boy, would it make this easier. Okay.
I left the easiest one for last. You can see how big the opening is on the grass chute side of the mower deck.
Let's see. Yep. Okay. It would have been nice to use the impact gun, but the impact didn't fit under there. The car ramps made it really easy. There was plenty of room to get the blades off and put the new blades on. So with that said, this is the Everyday Man. As always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.